Thokozani, you know what? It's winter, guys. I'm in bed. It's a holiday, 16 June. So I was like, you know what, today I need to rest. You know, my mental health, it's very important and very necessary for me, ukuthi nginakekele, right? So what I wanted to tell you guys or talk about, it's that signs or how ancestors they speak to us, it's always there, just that people never pay attention. I was listening to the video by the name of Osimpiwe Shembe, who had an interview, and he was saying that when you're happy, right? Like he was saying that God is not with people who are happy. Reason being, when you're happy, you're not paying attention to things is balekile or which are important. There's no time for you to say, oh, you know what, I need to do this, I need to pray. What is God trying to tell me, or what my ancestors are trying to tell me? So you never pay attention to that. But the minute you are in trouble, or the minute things are not going well, then you start paying attention. So that's why uNkulunkulu noma idlozi knows ukuthi the minute umuntu izinto zingahambi kahle, then they take a step back and listen, and they eventually do what they were supposed to do, you know. So I realized that with me, or with listening, to say, you know what, when things are going well, I don't pay attention, or I don't meditate but once izinto zihamba kabi, then I start saying, okay, no, I need to pay attention, what are they saying? And I realize, you know what, even when I'm happy, signs are there, just that I decide to ignore them, and just to give you a typical example, there was a point in my life where kwakufanele ngenze umsebenzi, so but because of, I was telling myself, I don't have money, right? And I was like, okay, there's no way I'm gonna go to my sisters and be like, I don't have money, because they'll be like, I'll phone. So rather be like, ngiyafuna ngenza umsebenzi. So how you speak to ancestors, it's very important. Ngiyafuna ukuyenza lo msebenzi, kodwa amandla ngalesikhathi anginawo, ngiqala ukuthi ningibusiseni. And also mina was planning ukuyenza umsebenzi ngeenkukhu. Now they showed me in the dream that no, asidingi inkukhu, sidinga imbuzi, right? And I remember saying, badinga imbuzi, and not only one mbuzi, like two mbuzis. And I was like, nah, I don't have money, like considering the alcohol, things which need to be bought and what so not. And I remember saying, okay, let me not go back and be like, angeke ngiwenze ngembuzi, anginamali mina ngizoyenza ngenkukhu. No, just say, okay, nginizwile, kodwa ke ngicela ningipheni amandla, and do you really want imbuzi now, or I can still later on come back and do imbuzi when amandla sewakhona? Right now, can I do ngenkukhu? And I remember that day, like something in me was like, okay, I was cleaning, so there's a bag that I was like, hey, it's torn. And you know what? Lento of us ladies having to keep a lot of bags in our homes, in our cupboards, zidli base. So I'm like, this one bag in particular, man, it's pants. And I'm like, what is it doing here? So instead of taking it and putting it away, I'm like, no, I need to throw it away. But before I throw it away, let me see inside if there's anything important that I need to save, or if there's paper that fanele ngwadabule, because maybe they've got information or something that I don't want people getting. And I remember, guys, opening the bag, and the first thing I saw, it was a paper elgoqwe kangaka. And I'm like, I'm opening this paper, and guess what? It's a receipt of 2021, when I went to buy imbuzi at Klip River, at Klip Rivier. In my mind, I'm like, the slip is still here, but what? So they show him, say I food him, but this is a sign, you're gonna buy imbuzi. And this was a sign, this is where we want imbuzi yetu to be bought, not when anywhere else. And If it was me being happy, things going well, I was going to be like, oh, it's just the paper, throw it away. But because now I have to pay attention to every detail, how they communicate with me, how they speak to me, then I had to be like, oh, wow. Now they're giving me answers that I've been paddling about, that I've been praying about. And now it's a matter of, will I do or will I not do? So the moral of this video is that it's very important to listen. Amadlozi don't always come back ngephupho. Don't always come back using a person to come say to you imbuzo. Sometimes you might find ukuthi in this scenario hlangane nomuntu avele athi wena imbuzo uyithenga nini, then they answering you. So just that ish, guys, it's just that ish. I can give a lot of scenarios that now if you listen to them you will realize but this is the moral of the video. I didn't want to just make it long. Yeah, anyways, emakhosini lesedi khanya camakunda weshewe.